Circular perspective training refers to the practice of improving perspective drawing skills by drawing cylinders. A cylinder is a three-dimensional geometric shape consisting of two circular faces and a side surface. It is often used in perspective drawing to represent the three-dimensional appearance of circular objects. To begin circular perspective training, it is important to first understand the principles of perspective and basic drawing techniques. By mastering the laws of perspective, we can create the illusion of depth and make flat circular shapes appear more realistic and three-dimensional. When drawing cylinders, there are several key aspects to keep in mind. First, the two circular faces of the cylinder should be on the same horizontal plane, while the side surface should be adjusted according to the laws of perspective to appear gradually smaller. Secondly, attention should be paid to the shading and highlights of the cylinder, which are also key factors in creating the illusion of three-dimensionality. Through repeated practice, perspective drawing skills can be continuously improved and the cylinders drawn will become more realistic and three-dimensional. Additionally, circular perspective training can also help improve observational skills and hand-eye coordination, making it a great aid in improving overall drawing skills.